Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here 25 minus x square bracket whole square is equals to 25 minus x, and here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Look carefully in left hand side. Here inside the bracket you have 25 minus x square, and in right hand side we have 25 minus x. Here we will apply substitution, and here if we substitute 25 minus x square, this is equals to y. Then 25 and this y, if we take left hand side, then this is minus y is equals to this minus x square. If we take right hand side, then this is x square. Let us consider this is an equation number first. Now look carefully this given algebraic equation. 25 minus x square is replaced by y, then you will get y square is equals to 25 minus x. Let us consider this is an equation number second. Now look carefully equation number first. Equation number first is x square is equals to 25 minus y, and equation number second is y square is equals to 25 minus x. Now subtract equation number second from first. Then in left hand side here minus plus. In left hand side you will get x square minus y square is equals to, in right hand side here this is positive 25 and this is negative 25, so both are cancel out. Now in right hand side you will get minus y plus x. In left hand side you have x square minus y square is equals to minus y plus x. If we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus y square minus x plus y is equals to 0. In left hand side we have difference between two squares, which is x square minus y square, and factor of x square minus y square is x minus y is multiplied by x plus y. And here if we take common negative 1, then you will get negative x divided by negative 1, then you will get x, and positive y divided by negative 1, then you will get negative y is equals to 0. In left hand side x minus y is common factor, so if we take common x minus y, then you will get here x plus y minus 1, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side x minus y is multiplied by x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0, and suppose this term is a and this term is b, and we know that if a into b is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. According to this rule we can write here x minus y is equals to 0 or x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now here if x minus y is equals to 0, then you can say x is equals to y, or if x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0, this implies x plus y is equals to 1. We have two cases. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Now first we will solve case first, and case first is x is equals to y. Now look carefully equation number first. Equation number first is x square is equals to 25 minus y. X square is equals to 25 minus y. Now look carefully, left hand side you have x square is equals to 25 minus, and this y is replaced by x because x and y both are equal, so y is replaced by x. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then in left hand side x square minus x, if we take left hand side then this is plus x, and 25 if we take left hand side then this is minus 25, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation in terms of x, but this quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so value of a is equals to 1. and coefficient of x is 1, so value of b is equals to 1, and constant term is minus 25, which is c is equals to minus 25. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 1 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 25 over 2 times value of a is 1. Now x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 is multiplied by minus 25. Then you will get plus 100 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 100 is 101 divided by 2. So our first value of x, which is x1, is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 101 over 2, and second value of x, which is x2, is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 101 over 2. Now solve case second, and case second is x plus y is equals to 1. X plus y is equals to 1. Now look carefully equation number first again, and equation number first is x square is equals to 25 minus y. X square is equals to 25 minus y. Now if x plus y is equals to 1, this implies y is equals to 1 minus x. Then x square is equals to 25 minus y is replaced by 1 minus x. Then in left hand side x square is equals to 25. This minus is multiplied by 1 minus x. Then you will get minus 1 plus x. Then x square is equals to 25 minus 1 is 24 plus x. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus x minus 24 is equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation x square minus x minus 24 is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so value of a is equals to 1, and coefficient of x is minus 1, so value of b is equals to minus 1, and constant term is minus 24, which is c is equals to minus 24. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Now x is equals to minus value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by minus 1 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 24, and divide by 2 times a and value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus is multiplied by this minus 1, then you will get plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 24, which is equals to 96 over 2 times 1 is 2. Then x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 97 over 2. So our third value of x, which is x3, is equals to 1 plus square root of 97 over 2. And for solution x4, this is equals to 1 minus square root of 97 over 2. In this question we have 4 solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.